Hello again, it's Javier. Today we're going to be cooking a new meal. My last video we did some spaghetti and marinara meat sauce, and this time we're going to do roasted chicken thighs and potatoes with a side of veggies. Hope you guys enjoy. You guys have a nice one.
We are first going to start off by preheating the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's start off with our seasoning blend. We're going to use equal parts to each seasoning, around 1 teaspoon, besides our salt. First, we're going to add cayenne pepper, then some dried basil, oregano, garlic powder, pepper, onion powder, and then add some salt as well, only around 1/4 teaspoon. We're then going to add some thyme. We're going to mix it with a fork and or spoon until well incorporated. We're going to prep our chicken, and here's a tip: do not wash it into the sink. Only pat dry it with a paper towel. We are then going to trim off the extra skin and or fat on the chicken so it can come out looking nice. I like using gloves to have more extra precaution while cooking with chicken. When you are done, make sure you sanitize the area you are working in and all the utensils you used. Let's place our trimmed chicken into our pan. We are then going to add some oil to the chicken so it can roast better. Let's mix it in. Notice that I have one hand touching the chicken and the other is not. Season chicken with the blend we used. Don't be shy. Season well on both sides. Set aside the chicken and let's start cutting the potatoes. We are going to be cutting them in halves since they are small. If you get the ones that are really small, you can leave them whole if you like. It's up to you. We are then going to add the potatoes all around the pan and add some more seasoning to the potatoes. Let's wrap it up in some foil. We're going to place the chicken on the bottom rack for about 20 minutes with the foil on. We are then going to remove the foil and let it cook for another 20 to 30 minutes. When the chicken is about 5 to 10 minutes out, we're going to start on the veggies. Today I have some frozen ones and they taste great since they picked at the perfect time. We're going to put around 1 cup of veggies into the pot, then around another cup of water, and turn the burners on to medium and place the lid. We're going to let it simmer for 5 to 6 minutes. The chicken smells great in here. It's almost done. We're going to check if it reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, a good sign that it's almost done is that your chicken juices run clear and not red when you poke it with a thermometer. This chicken is almost at 165. We can have another few more minutes in the oven. Let's go back to our veggies. I'm going to add some margarine to the veggies so they taste a little bit better, and some salt as well. You're going to stir well, okay? The chicken is done, and we have 2 options here. We can take it out, let it cool down until our veggies are done, or we can add the juices on top of the chicken and broil so they have a crispier skin. For the broil, we're going to put the broil setting on the oven and place the chicken on the top rack for only 1 to 2 minutes. We're going to leave it open so it does not get too hot and burn our chicken. Oh wow, our chicken is nice and crispy and ready to go. We're going to take it out and start plating. Doesn't that look amazing? There it is, roasted chicken and potatoes with some veggies. I hope you guys enjoy and have a great day.